Making mountains out of molehills. Understanding the phrase, molehill. Hello, dear learners. Today, we're going to explore a fun and intriguing English idiom, molehill. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand what it means but also how and when to use it. Idioms like this one are essential to sounding like a native speaker. So let's dive in. First, let's understand the literal meaning. A mole is a small, burrowing mammal known for digging tunnels and creating little mounds or hills of dirt as it excavates. These little mounds are called molehills. The idiom, making a mountain out of a molehill, derives from the characteristics of a mole. The phrase means exaggerating a minor problem or issue, making it seem much bigger or more serious than it actually is. Think about it. A molehill is just a tiny bump on the ground, but a mountain is massive. If someone is said to be making a mountain out of a molehill, they're taking something small, like a molehill, and blowing it out of proportion, as if it were as big as a mountain. It's quite common to hear this idiom in everyday conversations. For instance, 1. If someone is overly worried about a minor mistake they made, you might say, "Don't make a mountain out of a molehill. It's not that serious." 2. If someone is overly concerned about a tiny stain on their shirt, a friend might reassure them by saying, "You're making a mountain out of a molehill. No one will even notice." So, the next time you come across a situation where someone might be overreacting to a minor issue, remember the phrase, making a mountain out of a molehill. It's a fun and expressive way to say that something is being blown out of proportion. We hope you found this explanation helpful and that you'll confidently use this idiom in your conversations. Happy learning!